Hello, second grade friends. Make sure you're saying the sounds and reading the words with me. Tread, tread, bread, bread, def, deaf, short, short, shirt, shirt, sight, sight, steak, steak, break, break, great, great, croak, croak, freight, freight, yield, yield,